everyone, this is CA Ritu Agarwal and I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, congratulations to all of you who have cleared their CA finals in May 24. I must say this is a big achievement and you should be proud about it. Well, a lot of people would try to bring your motivations down by saying, oh, you have cleared in May 24. Too many CAs have cleared out this time. Or the packages of CAs are very low. Or even I've heard people saying, oh, you have cleared in third attempt. There is no chance that you would get a decent job. Well, I will say, just don't listen to people. People will try to bring you down. But you know what? This is a big achievement and you should be proud about it. Yes, this is a big achievement and you will realize this as you progress into your career that you have achieved something big. Now, what I see is lot many participants or lot many people who have cleared their CA finals and have become CA don't even try to register themselves in the campus placement. They think that they might not be able to get shortlisted anywhere because they have too many attempts, or they think that they lack practical knowledge. Well, what can happen at the worst? Nobody would select you. You will not clear the interview round, right? That's it. That's what's gonna happen if you don't register yourself. But just think about this in a positive manner. What if you register yourself and even if nobody shortlists you, what you gain? You gain experience. You understand what the interviewer is actually thinking. How do they interview? What is the thought process of them while interviewing a candidate? Or what are the different technical questions that is getting asked? Or you might even find people like you around the campus. So you may also have good friends over there, a good networking, right? So these are the advantage of registering yourself in the campus. Secondly, let's say you don't get shortlisted. What are the other grounds available to you for getting an interview call or for getting a job? Well, if you have friends who are into Big Four, I would say just tell them or ask them for a referral, because chances are there for those people who have worked in Big Four that they would still be there. Big Fours usually absorbs people who have done their articleship from them. They absorb them within the organization when they clear out. So you can ask them for a referral. Big Fours have lot many openings for CA pass outs, and being a fresher, you should not miss this opportunity. You should reach out to your friends who can help you with a referral. Secondly, if not Big Four, then what? Well, you have other grounds available to you, like you can try out for industry. There are many industry jobs available for CAs. Like you can try into IT industry, for example, Capgemini, Infosys, or you can even get into banking industry by applying to Barclays, JP Morgan. They come up with lot many opportunities for CAs. So just check their websites. Try to find people on LinkedIn who can help you get into these organizations. There are even drives available. Like every year these companies conduct job drive where they conduct interview for the people who come in. Just drop in over there, find when that drive is happening around you, drop in, drop your CV, ask your friends for referral. This will definitely help you. Now coming to the point, how to prepare for the interview. Whenever you are getting any interview call, make sure that you read the JD, that job descriptions, properly. Once you have read that job description, try to learn all the technicals around that. I know you have cleared your CA, you will be well versed with the technical knowledge, but just revise all those things into your mind. Just go through all those stuff before appearing for the interview so that you sound confident. You don't sound lost. Confidence is the key to crack an interview. I would say that because I have experienced that firsthand. I have been into this industry from last 7 years. Yes, 7 years. So I would say that confidence is the key. Try to be confident in front of the interviewer. For being confident, you should have knowledge. So just apply those knowledge, whatever you have learned during the process of CA, and answer the questions confidently. Well, the final part, the salaries of CA. I know there are many debates around it that the salaries are too low. So why we have struggled so many years for this kind of salary, we sacrifice so much and we are getting so low as a salary. Well, I would say this is a stepping stone for you. As of now, you might get a package of 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. But don't get disappointed. I have seen people scale up to 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs within 4 years of their job. trust me, within 4 years of their job. So the motto as of now should be to get into the race. Once you are into the race, it's all up to you as how ambitious you are for your career. You need to keep upscaling yourself. The more you upscale yourself, the more opportunities would come to you. You can't just say that, okay, I have cleared CA, now I don't have to learn anything. This will not help you in the long run. You will have to upscale yourself, maybe with advanced Excel, maybe with Power BI, or maybe anything which is relevant to the industry that you are working in. But learning is the continuous process. The more you upgrade yourself with new things, more opportunities would come to you. So as of now, I would say just get into the race, get into the profile that you always wanted into, and start your journey. Opportunities would come to you. Finally, if you have any questions regarding any career opportunities or upscaling things, just drop me a comment. I will reply back to you.